Alright, so I'm here to talk about the pros and cons of rolling over your 401k to an IRA. The first pro is you get multiple investment options. So in an IRA, you're able to buy mutual funds, stocks, bonds, whatever you want to buy within the IRA versus a 401k. 401k is very limited because the company decides which options they allow to their employees. Pro is you get a personal financial advisor most of the time, and you obviously have to pay for them. So that could be a con, and the fact that it could be more expensive, but on the flip side, you get one-on-one attention. Pro is you are able to take money out of an IRA for a first-time home purchase or higher education expenses. For a first-time home purchase, the limit is up to $10,000. So you avoid a 10% penalty, but you still have to pay income tax on what you take out of the IRA. Pro is for the rollover amount, you are protected from bankruptcy. Another con is you have to take the required minimum distribution out even if you are still working. If the money was in a 401k and you were still working with that company, you would not be forced to take that money out.